Alright, hey guys, so this is the first real video in the series. This is my buddy Tom and I unpacking and doing the inventory on the combined tail kit and flaperon kit. There is nothing terribly exciting here. The large box was delivered earlier today and is just outside the workshop here. And it took us about an hour to open the box, pull everything out, and do the inventory, put all the pieces away on the shelf. Everything made the trip pretty well. There was a delay in Tennessee for weather that took about an extra week or so. One small piece of plastic, one of the tips for the flaperon, was damaged, but other than that, everything is in good shape, and I should be getting started putting it together real soon.